I get it, you scroll through a dozen dog washing stations, each one promising a spa-like experience for your pup, only to end up with a metal bucket that leaks, a ramp that slides, or a sprayer that sputters when you finally get it set up. I've been there, watching a friend wrestle with a cheap tub that cracked the moment a large Labrador hopped in. That kind of disappointment is why I wanted to take a step back, talk about the real-world details, and help you decide if the VEVOR 62-inch dog grooming tub is worth the space it takes in your garage or backyard. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the problem most owners face: size and stability. A lot of pet washing stations look sleek online, but the dimensions are either too small for mid-size or large breeds, or the base wobbles when water fills the tub. The VEVOR model claims a 62-inch length and a 661-pound load capacity, which on paper sounds like it could handle everything from a tiny terrier to a full-grown golden retriever. In practice, the stainless steel body does feel solid. The metal is thick enough that you don't hear the typical ping you get with thinner tubs when you tap the side. When I filled it with a couple of gallons for a grooming session, the water stayed level and the tub didn't flex, which is a good sign if you're planning on using a detachable spray wand and running a steady stream of water for a thorough rinse. The design includes a movable door and a ramp that slides into place. For a dog that hates stepping into a confined space, that ramp can be a lifesaver. I tried it with a 70-pound border collie who normally bolts at the side of a bathtub. The ramp's surface is textured enough to give his paws grip, and the angle is gentle, about 20 degrees, so he didn't have to climb a steep incline. Once he was in, the door can be pulled shut, which keeps the water from splashing out onto the floor. The only hiccup I noticed was that the door latch feels a bit loose after a few uses. You have to push it firmly to keep it sealed. It's not a deal breaker, but if you have a particularly enthusiastic bather, you might find yourself readjusting the latch mid-wash. Adjustability of the faucet and sprayer is another area where many stations fall short. Some models only offer a fixed nozzle, leaving you to juggle a hose and a bucket. VEVOR's kit includes a faucet that can swivel 180 degrees and an extendable sprayer that reaches the back of the tub. In a real-world grooming session with my neighbor's 55-pound beagle, the sprayer's reach meant I could rinse the hindquarters without having to lift the dog out of the water. The water pressure is decent for a standard garden hose connection, strong enough to rinse shampoo, but not so forceful that it startles the animal. One minor downside: the sprayer head doesn't lock into place, so if you set it at a certain angle and step away, it can drift a few degrees after a minute of use. It's something to watch if you're trying to keep a consistent flow while you're scrubbing. Now let's consider the accessories. The package comes with a set of hooks, a drain hose, and a detachable tray that slides under the tub for collecting excess water. The drain hose is long enough to reach a floor drain or a bucket, which is handy if you're in a garage without a built-in drain. During a test run, I connected it to a bucket and the water emptied in roughly a minute and a half for a half-full tub. That's efficient, but the hose does have a slight kink tendency if you bend it sharply. The tray underneath catches drips, saving you from a puddle on the floor, but it's made of thin plastic that can bend if you step on it inadvertently. Who should buy this? If you're a professional groomer who needs a reliable, heavy-duty station that can handle large breeds day in and day out, the VEVOR tub offers the capacity and durability you'll appreciate. The stainless steel construction resists rust, which is a big win for a grooming business that runs the tap constantly. Even for a serious hobbyist with a few big dogs, the extra stability and the inclusion of a ramp make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you already have a space where a 62-inch unit fits without crowding other gear. Who should skip it? Small apartment dwellers or owners of only tiny breeds may find the size excessive. The tub itself weighs a good amount, so moving it once installed is not a quick job. If you live in a rental and can't bolt the unit down, you might want a lighter, more portable option. Also, if you're on a strict budget, the VEVOR's price is higher than a basic plastic tub, and you're paying for the stainless steel, the ramp, and the extra accessories. For someone who only washes a small dog once,